Sure, I would do honestly.
I want to talk about Namakwa district. Leaders, we've had 3 councillors joining us. The 3 or 2. No, one is Karoo Wigland and it's Namakwa is 2. I want to say to you, how our people get treated in Namakwa. Onze mense word nie reg behandel in Namakwa nie. People are not being treated right in Namakwa. We have taken a decision as PA. We're going to concentrate on Namakwa to turn that municipality. Namakwa is the one municipality that PA wants to run, to lead. Let me put it this way. To lead. The people of Namakwa, we're giving you an opportunity. Kom uit Egypte uit en volg ons na die land van melk en honing. For how long have you been voting for the ANC and for the DA? But your life has not changed. This is our opportunity. Hulle dink ons is magteloos. Met die Here aan ons kant is ons nooit magteloos nie. So to everybody here, ons gaat Namakwa, Namakwa, gaat ons kom oorvat. And that's what I want everybody to know. So that we can show our people before 2026, how does the government of the PA, how do we work? Hoe voel 'n PA regering? Ons gaan nie weer vir niks gevat word nie. Was 9 seats in parliament. Moet ons gevat word soos niks, nooit hier. We are going to, in all the PA councillors, all the PA MECs, all the PA MMCs, you have to check in your department, is the employment equity just? Is the employment equity fair? Is the employment equity that's there, is it equitable for everyone? Namakwa, ons het oorlog verklaar in Namakwa. People can say, no, we bring PA people over. We don't even know most people you guys are bringing over. Every day I see PA people. Ek ken hulle nie eens nie. We don't even know some of them. Don't know their names. They can't show you what they've ever done in the PA. Now, we don't bring people over and then post that. No. We are showing you the councillors we are bringing over. So don't make lives here and say, oh, the PA person, or a picture where you take a PA person trekking his t-shirt out, treks his t-shirt. No, wait, that's only face ons a PA councillor wat so join. Shake ons so bietjie, shake ons. Ons shake julle dat julle statements skryf against the PA. And we are not done yet. Die ding ruk behoorlik. Die ding ruk in die PA in. Daar's niks gebysaar nie. Then come and show me 5 people join your party. Toya Houtman, they can, those people, we don't even know them, man. Show me the council of PAs that you say these are councillors. En die dia, julle moet baie lig slap. Ons kom. Julle moet kom, die kan. Kom vat die Judas by ons ook. Maar ons bring regte mense oor. Layers. That's why I want to ask you guys. When somebody joins the PA from the ANC and he was a councillor or from ever, you mustn't be, ooh, the ANC mense have nie PA join nie. hold your horses. Let's check Sampras. If you say, no, Sampras can't join PA, the people at Sampras has already brought with him. For us, if you are real PA, you will just be happy when people come. No, but why is the ANC guys now joining PA? Oh, so we mustn't grow. So we shouldn't grow. According to you, ons mekaar heel dag so in die oë kyk, ons moet nie groei nie. Mense, hier kom 'n groot roering, laat ek julle sê. Hier kom 'n roering. 'n Stirring. 'n roering. 'n stirring. Our people's eyes is opened. 2026, they have declared war against me. They think I'm the PA. But don't worry, I'll still tell about that war they declared. I'm not a PA. They can fight me. The PA will never fall. Because the PA is a mighty organization. It's an organization of the people. Ons het hierdie gebou deur gebed. So you can't say you don't want people from the ANC to join us. It's a numbers game we're talking about here. It's a numbers game. Of nie pres, sy's 'n prostituut. Sy kan nie vir ons stem nie. Nee, hy's 'n sondaar. Hey, as jy vote vra nie vir soos jy prostituut. Hulle vra nie vir sonde het jy nie. They don't ask how many beers do you drink when you go vote. Jy kan dronk daar instap jy maak my crazy daddy so. No. Hou op asseblief mense. Just be welcoming. Just be accepting. Love everybody. Because that person has children, he's got relatives that will follow him to the PA. So julle wat sê, nee, ek gaan die PA vote because daar's no ANC mense. Man, loop! So ons moet 'n party bou wat stagneer. We must build a party that doesn't grow according to you because you don't like other people. Ons groei. Ons groei. Daar's 'n roering. There's a stirring coming. That's a roering. We must grow. And sometimes we're not going to grow with people that you are not the foreman of entrance. We want to grow the PA. We don't care if somebody has spoken bad things about us. This is not about us. Stop this thing when you say, no, I don't want that person. This person said this about me. Is okay, ons kinder almal. Ek het ook al van mense geskinder. Baie lekker nogal. We all gossip. So please, just kry 'n bietjie beheer oor yourself. Kry 'n bietjie beheer oor yourself.
Patriots. As you know, Patriots, the politics is a game of people coming and going. And in this incident, the president speaks about a lot of people coming over from the ANC, from wherever party they may come from, and us having to open doors and not be gatekeepers and wanting people from outside that were never with us from the start to all of a sudden not be allowed to come in or be made as some sort of secondary citizens. And that shouldn't be the case, because in politics people will always leave and people will always join. So here the president emphasizes the importance of not making the people feel some other way. Because if no people come in, then we will never really grow. And people are starting to see the ANC for what it really is. So it's very, very important that even the Patriotic Alliance grows in times like this. You cannot expect to stay in the same place but grow. And when you know you want to grow, you have to accept a lot of changes. That will definitely happen, either in a short period of time or a big period of time. But when other people from other parties decide that this is now the train that I want to ride on, this is the train that I now believe can take our country forward, we can't blame them. We have to open our hands and welcome them. You know, politics is a very, very interesting affair because there are never any permanent enemies. So, as the president speaks about this topic, makes me understand just how personally some of us might have changed previously parties about 3 to 4 times. Sometimes you might return to the one that you started with on your 4th time before leaving up until you come to the Patriotic Alliance. So it's very, very important as patriots to support people who come in, welcome them, and actually continue to push the agenda of this party forward. 2026 local elections are coming, Baba. And the by-elections have been coming and we've been wiping them clean. That is the most important thing, to continue to push the agenda and the mandate of the party forward. So I really hope patriots, you continue to sign up people, continue to spread the news of the party, because the one mission is to make sure that on Spizani continue to go as we are meant to, and as we have been the fastest growing party in the previous elections. Let's hope the Patriotic Alliance continues on that same train. Salute, patriots, salute. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you are able to tune in on the next video.
Sure, I would do honestly.